State lawmakers are at odds over a proposal that would cap state income tax. Republicans say it'll save you money, but some Democrats say they're concerned about the impact down the road.
The Senate passed the proposed constitutional amendment this afternoon. 2 Wants to Know's Ben Briscoe breaks down how it'll work.
Currently, every time you get paid, the state takes 3.99% of your check. This amendment would cap the tax rate at 3.5% instead. That would save the average taxpayer about $250 every year. Now, to be clear, the tax rate is currently scheduled to decrease to less than 3.5% anyway. This constitutional amendment would make sure, though, that never again could taxes be raised above 3.5%.
Citizens of North Carolina are far smarter than us legislators, and they will have 6 months of a full and robust debate to determine whether or not they feel that the merits of lowering the tax rate and putting it in the Constitution are actually have merit or not.
So the Senate passed this afternoon. If it passes the House tomorrow, voters will still have to pass the amendment too before it's added to the Constitution. This right here is what you'll see on the November ballot. Again, if it passes in November, it would forever limit North Carolina's tax rate to 3.5%. Even 1,000 years from now, it couldn't go higher than that. Today, many Democrats voted against the idea, worried about its lasting impact. They also say if you cap taxes on income, then future lawmakers have to find other ways to tax you.
You have to think about the state budget like a balloon. So if we squeeze one end and you cap the income tax, that air doesn't disappear. It just gets pushed somewhere else. And that can be higher property tax, that can be sales tax.
Even if here's something else to think about when you vote in November, a little more context. North Carolina's current income tax rate is lower than most states in the nation. In fact, take a look at our closest neighbors here. You can see that only Tennessee is lower because they have no income taxes, but South Carolina is the highest with 6%.